So we got a decent little spread here. Taurus TX22 Gen 2 Toro, Springfield, 1911 A1 stainless loaded, Glock 43X, the Stoeger STR9, the Glock 26, and the 10 mil Glock 20 Gen 5. And I'm just gonna shoot some targets, show y'all some groups, just compared to handability and everything. Obviously, you know, some of them are in different price ranges. You can get this for like $300. That's my standard Plinken gun. And then, you know, the Glock 26 and the 43 are around the $500 range. This is the budget 9. The STR9 is usually around like 300 to sub 300, depending on where you go. The Gen 5 Glock 20 is in the $700 range. And the most expensive one being the 1911 on the table. But we'll just go through them and, you know, put some rounds down. This is the TX22 Swamp Fox Sentinel. And I put just like a knockoff light on there. I can't remember the brand, but this is the 22 round mag with it, and it is CCI mini mags. This one has a little bit different trigger than the Gen 1 in it. I try to time it out a little different. This is also set with just some knockoff ammo, so shooting a little high there, so I'm aiming a little low. There we go. This one is a great shooting gun. I really like these TX22s. For some reason, the mini mags, especially for me, I got a couple that hiccup. And I feel like it's just because the nose on the lead's a little bit shorter. Let's go to the next cheapest one on the menu, the Stoeger STR9. I haven't shot this gun a whole lot either, but it also shoots pretty decent. This one's a little low with this, so we'll aim a little higher. Gun. I haven't ran it much. Just kind of got it on a deal. So, where do we go now? Let's go with the 43X just because it's over here. And this is Monarch ammo from Academy. I have not shot this stuff very much. I cannot vouch for how it runs. I have shot their birdshot. It does good. But I can tell you, while loading these mags, they felt a little crummy. Actually, that's actually pretty good. Both of those are touching each other. And the PSA Dagger micro mags do not lock back. The group's alright on that, little to the left. I have that set with some higher grain 9mm for my carry purposes. Same thing goes for this 26, same ammo. Also set with the same exact ammo as the 43. Yeah, still. Just a little low and right on this one. It was a little low and left on the other one. But we'll just run it anyways. And this is the Winchester White Box 185 grain or 180 grain 10 mil. And this gun is set with the SIG V crown, so let's see where we're at here. Not sure on that one. Low and left, that's where that one's at. There we go. There's the hold. Also, really great shooting gun. Love that thing. I enjoy it a lot. And then the good old 211 gun, the 4.5. This one I have not shot a whole lot either. I used to only, this is the first pistol I owned, and I was so scared to carry it and scratch it up. But it is a dream to shoot. It's just a big hunk of lead down there. And they just sound so good. They sound so pretty to load and reload and all that stuff. And we'll go down there and just go over, you know, I'd say we're about 10 yards, 12 yards, somewhere around there away. There's the 10 mil. I mean, it shoots good. My first couple shots were down here, and then I started aiming up there. Again, it's just set with something hotter than that. So those are still good groups, in my opinion. This is the 45. Got a little bit faster on there, but you know, still pretty good grouping. The 43X, the 26, or maybe this was the 43X and this was the 26. Whatever it shows in the video, whichever one I was shooting at, I don't remember. TX22, absolute. Just enjoy that. You can shoot that all day, don't cost as much, and it's just fun to shoot. And the STR9 also shoots pretty decent, you know. I'm pretty pleased with all of them.